Hey guys, we're back. We're on the road and we're bound for Bridgetown as we look to kick back for a few days down by the Blackwood River and leave the daily grind behind. We've got my brother Mitch riding shotgun in the 60, Kurt up front in the 200, Jeff in the 80, Jared in his Hilux and Coxie in his trusty Triton. It's early spring and this place is looking better than ever. We've dragged our new beer fridge up from Perth and cannot wait to get stuck into it. Speaking of which, grab yourself a coldie and get comfortable as we welcome you to the first official video log on the Overland in Oz channel. Come on, Jab. Come on, big boy, let's go. Come on. Oh, there's so much water. Come on, Jab, come on, come on. Cheers to that, lad.
Cut them up? Or have you already got them wrapped and everything?
No, I got alcohol.
Oh, you have to wrap and everything yourself?
Yeah, you wrap it in alcohol.
Yeah, we'll cut them into like fucking quarters.
What's that?
He's done this before.
Yeah, he's definitely a bartender.
He's already made one of these.
Oh, we've got two of these.
Oh yeah.
Just let it sit for half an hour.
Bit of marinade.
Soak up. And get back in the fridge.
That's what it's about, eh?
Right, we are marinated. Just come back in half an hour.
Yes.
Alrighty, so we've got a 2 kilo piece of sirloin steak on the barbecue at the moment. As you can tell, we've wrapped in some alfoil and also in some of this Master Foods smoky Texan style rub. Now we've got that on. We're probably gonna leave it on for half an hour, so we'll see how it goes when it's done. We've also got some buttered corn and some sweet potato as well, so it should make a really good meal. Obviously, yeah, super good for a beer. So we'll see how this stuff goes. First time we've used it, it smells amazing.
Steam come up there. No life, man.
How's these two trip balls? Look at the colour of that, man.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god. Together.
How good's the IPA?
For this?
Yeah, just be.
Not over, though.
I just want to be on you.
That's the size. I'm going to say no.
Holy shit. That night was hectic. What a view. Oh, sweet cheeks. How you feeling?
Lovely. Got my bitches.
Good dog company. Sleep right?
Yeah, I did actually.
It's hard to get a hang of it, baby. You haven't stopped. Hell yeah.
You did go for a swim. Was that good?
Like that.
Yeah. And then you slowly bring it back.
When the froth starts reaching maximum frothness.
Yeah, it's the go of that.
That's a pretty good
That's
pour.
not bad.
It's probably the best one so far.
Not bad, good size.
Alrighty guys, so that's it from us. We're heading home. This is what we've been able to deal with the last couple of days. For those people that were asking, this is actually a private property. It's a mate's farm down in Bridgetown. So unfortunately, I can't give you the details for it, but thanks for sticking around and watching the first video log on our channel. Hopefully we can get a few more together on our next trips. Let us know what you think below. Subscribe, stick around and see what we get up to later on. And yeah, give us some feedback. That's the most important stuff. Cheers, guys.